Chancellor Brathwaite, President Chai, honored guests, graduates, family, and friends. First, let me offer my congratulations to members of the Mac Engineering class of 2026. You have reached a significant milestone, and it is an honor to be invited to participate in your convocation ceremony. About 50 years ago, not far from our current location, I was waiting with classmates for our convocation program to begin. A sense of anticipation was building, and I remember feeling very proud of the Bachelor of Engineering degree that I was about to receive. I expect that many of the graduating class of 2026 are experiencing similar feelings. You have completed rigorous academic programs, and now you are ready to work on solutions to real-world problems. Have confidence that the degree you receive today is a solid foundation for your future career, and be persistent in your pursuit of opportunities to expand your learning experiences as you move forward. My own career has included consulting engineering and food manufacturing, as well as teaching and academic research. In hindsight, I can see that with each new step, I developed new skills and expanded my horizons. I have no regrets about the path that I chose to follow over my career. It was maybe not the most direct path, but it has given me a deep sense of personal satisfaction. At my undergraduate convocation, I was one of 2 women in the McMaster Engineering class of 1975. At the same time, about 4% of undergraduates in engineering across Canada self-identified as women. Over my entire academic career, I have been involved in efforts to understand and change the low representation of women as students and professionals in fields related to STEM, or science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. One of the most challenging but also most rewarding parts of my career was the 8-year period when I served as the Ontario Chair for Women in Science and Engineering. This program is supported by the Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council, or NSER, and it was a chance for me to take on new leadership roles at provincial and national levels. It was also an opportunity to collaborate with researchers from the social sciences to better understand the issues that cause barriers to gender equity in engineering and to take action to change the status quo. One of these actions was to form a network we named the Ontario Network for Women in Engineering, or ONWE. The overall goal of ONWE is to ensure that the culture in engineering faculties is welcoming and inclusive as a key strategy to increase the participation of women as students and professionals in engineering. At each ONWE event, there is a committed group of volunteers, faculty, staff, students, and alumni who encourage participants to work together and to ensure that all participants have a positive experience. I am sure that some of the men and women in today's graduating class have helped to deliver ONWE outreach programs. I want to thank you and assure you that your efforts to welcome and encourage young women do make a difference, because you are amazing role models. You encourage participants to engage in engineering in ways that start to break down outdated stereotypes. There are signs of progress. For example, after 20+ years of collaboration, Go Eng Girl continues as an annual event that is offered by ONWE members across Ontario, as well as 6 provinces outside of Ontario. Data from Engineers Canada show that approximately 1/4 of engineering degrees across Canada were awarded to those who self-identified as women or female in 2022. I am optimistic that positive changes are happening more broadly in the engineering community, as women are being chosen for senior leadership roles, such as the Dean of Engineering or University President. And examples of successful women in these roles are here today. In closing, I wish all graduates success in your careers. Celebrate your convocation with family, friends, and supporters, and then get started on the next steps in your careers. Thank you.